Hi, welcome to Story Time. This book looked really interesting. Home is where the birds sing. Home is where you come in from the rain. Yep. And where you have a little nap after a bite. Very true. It is where you are welcome. It's true. You're always welcome at home. Home is where someone calls you sweetie or dear or a dozen other names for love. It is where you wake up and look at pictures on the wall and where you have blankets. We all know what blankets are good for, right? Building forts. That's right. Or making a nest. Yeah. Home is where you freshen up or hide if you don't want to freshen up. That's true. It is where your friends can find you. Indeed. Home is where there are stories to tell and stories to hear. It is where your own story starts. That's right. Home is where the birds sing. Yes, it is. And where the moon shines on you at night. It's true. All these things. It is where you will run if you ever need to run, and where you will find the door wide open. That's right. The door is always open at home. Home is where everything waits for you. Waits for you. Everything waits for you. And when you come back from anywhere, it is where you will feel at home. That's true. Like if you go on a trip or a vacation and you come home, it just feels good. Because you are. Home.